I am back on Windows 10, and the best advice I can offer is don't force an update to Windows 11. If you do force that update, you'll eventually run into this or some other update that just will not work. My update was not forced. Microsoft simply installed Windows 11 on this system instead of the next beta release for Windows 10. The update that would not install on this system was Windows Insider Preview 22598.1. The update was probably making some enhancements to hardware or software that this system wasn't able to handle. Since the computer wouldn't update, I used the option to pause updates for 7 days a few times, but that doesn't solve the problem, and eventually you either solve the problem or return to Windows 10. You'll notice this PC definitely says currently doesn't meet minimum system requirements to run Windows 11. I also know that those registry and other hacks that are available to force Windows 11 onto the system are very tempting. Don't do it. Windows 10 works like a charm, as it always has for me. I again need to get used to the fact that the taskbar is no longer centered. I'll have to find a different place for my coffee cup. In case you didn't know, Windows 10 is fully supported till October 2025. By then, it will be time to get a new computer, which will be ready for Windows 11 or whatever version will be the current version in October of 2025. It's a lot easier not to force an update, which you'll eventually need to roll back to Windows 10. And remember, rolling back only works for 10 days, which means if you're not within that 10-day period, you need to do a clean install. I've been on the non-supported version of Windows 11 since September of 2021 and did a clean install of Windows 10 on April 25th, 2022. The only nice thing is that I now have a cleanly installed version of Windows 10 Pro, and the only programs installed are those I absolutely need. If your computer can't handle Windows 11, stay with Windows 10. You already know that operating system. I have some relearning to do. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.